So the course introduces us to thinking about things like systems thinking and critical thinking. And I would say that those are skills that I probably have quite good awareness of already. But what I didn't have an awareness of was sort of theories of change and how I could influence other people and, encourage them to see ways that they could influence others as well.
Being part of the course has deepened my understanding of sustainability in many different ways, um, through lots of different conversations that have happened as part of the course. Also, many, on a practical level, many techniques for facilitation. Particularly what struck me most recently is the theory of change, which I can definitely apply, and indeed did apply in my own kind of journey and approach to my work straight away.
So in my role as a Professor of Sustainability in Higher Education, I might well have gone into this course thinking, do I need to do this course? Surely I should know about this. But actually, all of the different areas, from critical thinking to systems thinking to thinking about power, influence and change, I've developed my thinking in all of those areas.
In particular, I think the ideas explored in the facilitation course that really impacted on me were the ideas around critical thinking. So looking at critical thinking from a socially critical thinking perspective, an environmentally critical thinking perspective. And that was really, really useful for me, both in terms of my own development with the ideas of critical thinking, but also for my teaching.
One of the models that particularly stood out to me was the David Hicks futures thinking model, where you think about how you move from a probable to a preferable future. And I found this really inspiring for thinking about how we can all take manageable steps to increase our likelihood to live towards more sustainable futures. And that's something that really resonated with me, and something that I tried to also integrate then into my teaching with young people. I really felt it gave a lot of power to young people to think about how they personally could make a difference.